In scene 1, we see that the father is reading the newspaper and mother is serving him a tea.
Where is Sarah?
She is getting ready for her college.
This is the final year of her graduation. We will start searching a suitable partner for her.
No, she is a very brilliant child. She has got very good marks in graduation. Her ambition is to become a doctor and she is planning for higher studies in her future.
Stop it! I am the man of the house. I am the decision maker. You have no rights to state your opinion. Just go and do your household works.
With all of this, both the kid listened to the conversation. The daughter cries and went to her college.
A few hours later, the daughter returns home. She was still sad.
In scene 2, we see that the son goes to the father and asks for permission to go on a tour with his friends.
Oh Papa, me and my friends had planned for our weekend and so we need some money. Okay son, how much money do you need? Collect it from me before I leave. Thank you Dad.
By seeing this, the daughter got excited and thinks that she would get permission for a foreign educational trip too. She goes to her father and asks permission for an educational trip through her scholarship.
Father, by seeing my good sports, my college has provided me a free educational trip. Can I go?
It's unsafe for you to leave the house without any other. Anyways, I am thankful to you. You will be going to married soon. So this trip will wastage of your time.
Please, Dad.
I said no.
The father immediately denies her thoughts, goals, and her ambitions and walks off. In scene 3, we see that daughter's married life. She gets busy in her household work in such a way that she forgets about her identity, ambitions, goals, and all the household responsibilities will be on her shoulders. She was stuck between the four walls of her house.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं बोल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की कोई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी कि जिंदगी
A few years later, she is busy with her elder daughter and younger son. One day, the daughter suffers from stomach pain and fever. She goes to her mother and said,
Mom, I am suffering from high fever and stomach pain.
Why dear, what did you eat in your school?
I ate nothing.
Okay, let's go and consult to a doctor.
Way to the hospital.
Good evening, doctor.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
Do you remember me?
No, I don't think so. We have ever met.
I remember you. We were classmates and also study in the same college.
Oh my God, Sarah, so glad to see you. You are completely changed. But Sarah, what were you doing up to these days?
Nothing special. I am just a housewife. Today I came here for my daughter as she is suffering from stomach pain and fever.
Okay, I will prescribe some medicines, then she will be okay.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Asta.
Wait, Sarah, I want to talk to you.
Yes, dear, tell me.
What happened to you, Sarah? Why you became like this? You were such a brilliant student in the college.
Nothing much. I got married at an early age.
Why you have not taken a stand for yourself and go for the further studies? You were so ambitious those days, and you even got a good opportunities to fulfill them.
But no one was there to support me for my goals and ambitions. I think it was not in my feast, so I had left all my goals and decisions.
Now stop making yourself feel low. You have a daughter too. Don't let her suffer from what you have been taught. Start taking a stand for yourself and your daughter. Remember, when a man studies, he teaches himself. But when a woman studies, she teaches whole generation.
Yeah, I will look forward to it.
The mother and daughter returns home. The mother starts thinking about her friend's words. In scene 4, we see that the brother was playing with the doctor's set, and by seeing that, the sister excitedly arrived.
Brother, even I want to join with you.
No, not at all. Father brought this doctor set for me, and there is kitchen set for you. Just go and play with that.
The brother denies her and leaves with her toys. The girl starts crying and approaches her grandmother.
Grandmother, he is not allowing me to play with his doctor set and said to play with the kitchen set. My dad bought a kitchen set for me and a doctor set for him.
No beta, he is right. Girls are not interested to become a doctor. You see me and your mom being in kitchen and doing all the household work.
No, stop it. It's not gonna happen again. And not let my daughter do the same mistake which I had made. Good beta, when you are trying hard, you will always win. Whenever you are right, you need to take your own stand. Despite of all the problems, never let yourself down and never let anyone make you knock down as you are a girl.
Yes, Mama, I will always keep your voice in my mind.
ओ सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना जो सीना तान के तू चल दे उठता है सर अपना जा जी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी सर पर हाथ है अपना तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा है अपना सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी ओ, तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी